Welcome back. A short video about nutrition, especially first thing in the morning. Your body needs nutrients, and we start our day with fruit. And so I set out some organic blueberries, mango, some pineapple, some strawberries, and I cored up an apple, and I have a kiwi in there, and then I put in these powerful greens, Yoli Lean Greens Plus, and then this other product. I've used that since 2010, Caldera Greens. Really supercharges my body. I'm using collagen because I have some issues that I need to address with my skin and my hair and my nails. And so this right here is organic Camu Camu powder. Camu Camu is the most potent vitamin C in the world. And so I've never had a problem with blood sugar. We don't eat dairy or cheese or meat. And so basically plant-based. And from what I understand, if you do have blood sugar problems, if you gradually eliminate animal products from your diet, you should see your blood sugar stabilizing. Now, I am not a medical doctor. One more time, I am not a medical doctor. And I'm not making any claims. But this is how I live a vibrant life in my 60s. God bless you. Bye for now.